Nature is beautiful, and we are the stewards of God's creations. Our world is full of amazing nature, from big mountains to quiet rivers. But we have an important job as stewards of God's creation. We need to take care of our Mother Nature. Nature provides us with everything we need to thrive: clean air, fresh water, food, and medicine. It's our responsibility to protect and preserve it for future generations. But sometimes we forgot we use up Earth stuff without thinking. And we sometimes forgotten our sacred duty as stewards of this earth. We have exploited its resources without consideration for consequences, leading to devastating effect on our environment. But there is hope. Each of us has the power to make a difference. By recognizing our interconnectedness with nature and embracing our role as stewards, we can restore balance and heal our planet. And by doing small things like cleaning to minimize the pollution of our environment, and I believe small things can make a big difference. Let us be the guardian of this precious gift. Let us nurture and protect the beauty that surrounds us, for ourselves and for the future generations. As stewards of God's creation, let us pledge to cherish, protect, and preserve the beauty that surrounds us. For in doing so, we honor not only the gift of nature but also the divine wisdom that entrusted it to our care. Together, let's stand as stewards of God, entrusted with the care of His magnificent creation. Let's make every day Earth Day. It's time to act. The future of our planet depends on us.